How to use Google Meet in 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Google Meet in 2025. Whether you are joining your first online meeting, scheduling virtual classes, or running a business call, this guide will help you master Google Meet in minutes. So let's not waste any more time and let's get direct into the tutorial. So first of all, you need to go to the Google search bar and search for Google Meet. And it will take you to the Google web page. You can also go there with the Google Apps option and select Meet as everyone uses Google. So we can click on Meet and it will open directly to the web page. So then we need to understand that we can open an invite link like meet.google.com/xyz #123 and all, or also click join now option, and then we can allow camera and mic access and enter your name if you logged into Google account and ask to join now. Or you can also create new meeting and then create a meeting for later, or start an instant meeting schedule in Google Calendar. I'll just go with create a meeting for later, and here you can see we got the meeting link. We can just copy and paste it to someone's inbox or anywhere, and when we schedule the meeting, uh, the time we will just you will have to just click on that and you can join and we can have a meeting then. You can also invite by email directly inside the call. And here's the pro tip. You should set a nickname or use the waiting room setting for an extra privacy. We can also schedule a Google Calendar meeting, just like new meeting, then schedule in Google Calendar. It will take you to the calendar date. We can set it to May 10, we can set it to 21, and event details. We can add some location notification. We can also set the timer, and we can also give some description and all, and also can modify event for later, and then join with the meeting link just like that. Okay, so whenever you start the meeting, you should know the key controls. So first of all, you need to know the key controls of the system. Just like I'll just start an instant meeting and show you the the surface will look like this. And as you can see, there's some toggle menu, like it's for microphone permission needs. You should also give the permission and all. You can also open the video camera on and off, and as you can see, you can also turn on CC, and you can send some reaction. Present now. You can also give present if you taking an official meeting or lecture and all. You can also raise hand if your name's called and all. And there are more options like change layout, full screen, open picture in picture, background and effects. You can also report a problem, report abuse, troubleshooting and help. You can also check the settings. So let's check the settings. There are audio settings, presets, video presets, and in general, you can see desktop notifications, send additional diagnostic info to Google. You can also see captions and reaction. record the meeting if you are a pro or workspace user. And as I've shown you, you can go to settings for audio and video setups and apply visual backgrounds and filters. And you can also turn on noise cancellation. And as you can see, there are more buttons, meeting details. You can see the meeting details here. You can see who have joined your meeting. You can also add people instantly. You can also chat and see the chats anyone have sent. And there are options like meeting tools, live streaming, recording, and you can also add some features. And I can say post controls. Okay, we can share screens and chat messages and directions. Turn on someone else's microphone and also turn on the videos if they give the permission. Host must join for anyone else. Meeting access trusted, open, you can do that. Let contributors share add-ons. You can also see that. Let me tell you another thing. There are some premium features also. Like if you get any premium version, then you can click activities and then recording. Save meetings to Google Drive. Great for online classes, client session, or team syncs. And some Google Workspace tiers offer auto-generated meeting notes. You can also generate meeting notes, summaries sent to attendees after call ends. And it saves time on note taking and boosts productivity. And let me give you some tips like you can go to settings and choose the correct mic, speaker, and camera. And you can turn on HD video for better quality, enable noise cancellation to block background noise, uh, sounds, and tips for smoother meetings. I can give you that use Chrome or latest browser, close background apps for better performance, use do not disturb mode on text or mobile, share screen only when necessary to reduce distraction. So let me now give you some useful information about Google Meet. Why use it rather than other websites? First of all, Google Meet is free browser-based video conferencing tool, and it's from Google. It's fast, secure, and doesn't require any software installation. In 2025, it's better than ever, supporting screen sharing, recording, whiteboarding, noise cancellation, and even AI-powered meeting summaries on some plans. I don't think any other platforms give this like Google Meet. So that's your full beginner's guide to Google Meet in 2025. You have learned how to join, host, share screens, collaborate, and even record all inside one free tool from Google. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions below. I'll reply to everyone. See you in the next video.